The coronavirus pandemic has slowed the development of production of cars, but manufacturers' plans to introduce electric vehicles continue unabated. There are cars on offer and an increasing number of SUVs and pickups. And there will be a wider range of plug-in hybrid models that can run mostly on electricity for some time than the petrol engine starts and run the vehicles more like a traditional hybrid. Are you excited to find out what new cars are coming up in 2022? If yes, then stay with us till the end of the video to find out. The introduction of new electric and plug-in hybrid models in various segments is good news for consumers looking for an alternative fuel vehicle that will suit their needs. Here is an overview of some of the models that are worth following in the next few years. Audi Q4 e-tron. Audi will expand the e-tron designation later this year with the Q4 e-tron. The compact electric SUV from Audi, a close relative of the Volkswagen ID.4, will be built on the modular platform of the Volkswagen MEB electric car. Due to its size, the Q4 e-tron will compete with the Tesla Model Y and Volvo XC40 Recharge. Audi has not yet announced the range of the Q4 e-tron, which is the distance the vehicle can travel between charging or refueling. The current range estimated for the Q4 e-tron is 280 miles, but is based on EU testing standards that are more optimistic than the US. This is significantly less than the Y. BMW i4. The new BMW i4 is a conventional-looking electric car that expands the appeal of BMW's electric car range. There are two versions. The 335 horsepower eDrive 40 rear-wheel drive is estimated to have a range of 300 miles. It's probably no coincidence that these acceleration numbers are similar to the Tesla Model 3 rival. With high-performance 200-kilowatt DC charging, which is only available in public places, the i4 can travel up to 90 miles in just 10 minutes. Standard active safety systems include FCW, AEB with pedestrian and cycle detection, LDW and LKA. BMW iX. The iX is BMW's new electric flagship SUV. Designed from scratch and a showcase of the car maker's latest technology, with a massive radiator grille, square steering wheel and floating touchscreen, is unlike any BMW we've seen so far. According to BMW, the iX will have 500 horsepower and employs two engines to give it all-wheel drive capability and will accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. The range is said to be 300 miles and can add 75 miles in 10 minutes off fast DC charging. Charging from an empty state to 240 volts will take 11 hours, which is the course. Cadillac Lyriq. Cadillac Lyriq includes the brand's new generation style and introduces a new modular electric platform. It's roughly the length and width of the Cadillac XT6 SUV, but Lyriq has a much different profile, is 6 inches lower and rides a wheelbase that is 9 inches longer. The dominant feature of the cab is the curved 33-inch LED display, which extends from the instrument panel to where the infotainment screen is traditionally located. It builds on a presentation found in the Cadillac Escalade of 2021, which has a 38-inch curved OLED display. The initial Lyriq is a 340 horsepower rear-wheel drive with 100 kilowatt power battery model, a combination the car maker estimates will cover at least 300 miles. Production begins in early 2022 at Spring Hill, Tennessee. GM is pledged a $2 million investment in the plant to support electric vehicle production. GMC Hummer EV. The Hummer badge was once at odds with alternative fuels and featured a massive gas-swallowing SUV inspired by military vehicles. However, the all-new Hummer EV electric pickup promises to be eco-friendly and off-road, with free power and fast acceleration for the sports car. The 5-seater 4-door pickup leads to the rival of the name tag. Both vehicles have removable glass roof panels that create an open-air driving experience. Their trick includes the ability to crab walk or move diagonally, up to 18 trail cameras and available Super Cruise driver assistance. The Hummer EV pickup will be launched in 2022 with an expensive fuel-featured Edition 1, which boasts 1,000 horsepower and a promising range of 350 plus miles. The SUV follows a year later with a top output of about 830 horsepower. Over the next 2 years, other less expensive versions of each will be offered with reduced performance and range. Mercedes-Benz EQB. Mercedes-Benz has pledged to invest $47 billion in EV technology and plans to phase out internal combustion engines by 2030. The German car maker is prepared to launch a wave of plug-in products, including an electric version of the small GLB SUV for 2023. Launched in 2 configurations, EQB 300 4MATIC with 225 horsepower, EQB 350 4MATIC with 288 horsepower. The all-wheel drive system uses 2 engines, one at the front and the other at the rear. The battery has a capacity of 66.5 kilowatt hours. Mercedes uses several smart features to increase range, such as routing with respect to engine consumption, and can advise on how to reduce electricity consumption in the event of a low battery. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is a purely electric pickup. In addition to its unique angular truck experiment, this design replaces the traditional truck frame with a hard stainless steel exoskeleton, similar to the aircraft design and extra strong window glass. Tesla has announced a base price of less than $40,000, but we will take that with a grain of salt on the basis of the company's record of frequently price increases. The car will be available in 3 variants with a range of 250, 350 and 500 miles. The top version promises acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, combined with the ability to tow 14,000 pounds. The prototype is expected to evolve and shrink slightly. If you've gotten this far, be sure to smash the subscribe button for more awesome content. Nissan Ariya. Ariya will be Nissan's first electric SUV when it goes on sale in the US in late 2022. The compact SUV has a starting price of around $46,000. Standard and long-range versions will be available with front or all-wheel drive to choose from. Versions with front-wheel drive achieve an output of 238 horsepower, and models with twin-engine all-wheel drive at 389 horsepower. The front-wheel drive model, equipped with a long-range battery, will have an estimated range of up to 300 miles. The cab has a large horizontal display that serves as an instrument cluster as well as an information and entertainment system. Ariya will also have wireless compatibility with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Standard driver assistance functions include FCW, AEB with pedestrian detection, BSW, RCTW, lane departure warning, and automatic high beams. Subaru Solterra. Solterra is Subaru's first electric car ever. It combines a twin-motor electric powertrain into a symmetrical all-wheel drive system and offers 8.3 inches of ground clearance for weekend adventurers who want to go on dirt roads. The combined power of the engines is 215 horsepower and 248 pounds-per-feet of torque, and the car maker estimates the range of more than 222 miles. Subaru says the battery can be charged to 80% capacity in less than an hour by fast DC charging in public places. There will also be a new feature called Safe Leaving Assistance, which alerts passengers to oncoming vehicles when they get out of the car. Porsche Macan EV. Macan was the Porsche entry into the popular segment of compact SUVs and quickly proved to be the best seller. The battery-powered electric version will accompany its petrol counterpart, albeit on a different platform, specific to electric cars developed in collaboration with Audi and Porsche. The Macan EV will use the same 800-volt electric architecture that is now in the Taycan electric sedan. Fans all around the world are waiting impatiently for him. You may enjoy this video here. Until next time, thank you for watching.